Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful house. Let's start drawing. I am drawing the top of the house now. I will draw 2 lines on the wall of this house. I'm painting the door this time. This is window. This time, I'm going to draw the smoke from the chimney. This time, I'm going to draw the distant trees. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm doing blue color first, then pink color. I will paint the entire wall red, like this. Wow, that's great. I will paint the entire window yellow color, brown color in the door, then I will color the distance trees. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!